Okay, so we are going to learn how to insert boxes on Google Slides. It's similar to the same way that we inserted a circle. So you can either go to this button with shapes, or you can click Insert Shape, and instead of a circle, we're going to choose a square or a box. So you can choose whichever kind you want. I'm going to choose this first one. It's a rectangle. And I am going to click and drag to make my box as big as I want it. So I want to put a box around the words. Oh no! Remember? It automatically fills our box in with color, but I want to be able to see the words. So to fix this, I go up to Fill Color, and I'm going to change this to Transparent. And now you can see the words, but there's a box around the outside. There's an outline. But I can't see it very well, so I'm first going to change the color, and it wants a blue box, so I'm going to change the color to blue, and I'm going to make the line thicker so that we can see the line. And now there is a blue box around the words.